Hey friends, it's Holly. Welcome back to Living It Country. Today we have another gorgeous fall home tour to share. I'm so excited to have Corine here from Junk Gems. She has been on the channel multiple times before, sharing her gorgeous home for each season. So I will go ahead and link all of those past tours in the description box down below. She is known for just having gorgeous styling. She knows how to style each little area of her home so beautifully, and she just fills it with antiques and beautiful finds, and there's just so much inspiration to learn from her. And I love pausing my video, getting little inspiration, and it's definitely going to be a tour you're going to want to watch over and over again. I know I love antiques so much, but sometimes it's hard for me to go shopping and thrifting and go to Goodwill and things like that. So my go-to place is a shop. It's a small shop and it's called Antique Farmhouse. I've shared them multiple times before because I love getting that kind of antique look. But like I said, I can't always leave the home with small kids. And so basically all of my decor back here is from this small shop called Antique Farmhouse. I'm obsessed with them. So they have a ton of fall decor right now. And they're just getting out Christmas. I just placed my Christmas order, so let me know if you guys want to see a video on that because I think that would be so fun to share. And so I just wanted to share that with you guys. I'll link their small shop in the description box down below if you guys want to take a peek. And I'm so excited to be sharing Junk Gems today. Let's go ahead, welcome her here today, grab a cup of coffee, and let's go ahead and tour her home.
Hello everyone. This is Corine with Junk Gems. I want to thank Holly for having me back for another fall tour. If you want to see last year's fall tour, you can look on her Living It Country channel, and also my spring and holiday one. Welcome to our little homestead, Curly Willow Acres. We're getting it all ready for fall here. We have some late summer flowers still. There's Tucker out there eating grass. Here's my fall porch this year. The pumpkins and corn stalks come from our little homestead here. You can see the last of the flowers blooming, and I haven't had the heart to get rid of the summer flowers yet, so they are still there, along with fall mums. Thank you for stopping by and watching. I appreciate it. You can find me on Instagram, junk_gems, and on Facebook and Pinterest it's Junk Gems. You're going to see my house is mostly DIY and thrifted. If you have any questions, just leave it down in the comments and I can let you know where you can get them if it's something that's possible to get. Alright, welcome to our house. I am going to go ahead and just not talk anymore and let you just look and see if you can find some fall inspiration. Hopefully you do. And there you go. I'll just quit talking now.
A big thank you to Junk Gems for sharing her gorgeous home today. I hope you guys got lots of inspiration, and I will see you guys later on Living It Country. Bye.